Hey, Cindy.
Yes, Kelly?
I got some packages from Devil Dave's.
Let's do this.
Oh, wow.
I got Bloody Mary Speed Mix.
Okay.
I got some sticks. I got stickers.
Oh, you got stickers. Wait.
I got stickers, not you. Stickers.
Ooh, I'm special. The thing that I really like about these sticks is that they're weatherproof. They're really durable, and because they're weatherproof, the seasoning mix doesn't get cakey.
So basically, we can go camping and have our drinks.
You can take them camping, right?
I
Stick 'em
just said that.
You did?
A lot of power in that. Just makes me thirsty. There are 10 packets in a box. 10 sticks, if you will. 10 sticks of delight is what I want to call them.
You can order these things online and they're shipped the same day. We got these things so fast. Yeah.
I mean, we are coming up on a weekend. Ooh! Bloody Mary. The Speed Mix can has a lovely scoop to help you measure and a sealable pouch so you don't lose your mix, which I appreciate. That's some mad marketing skills right there, Ryan. You did a good job, sir. Pretty proud. Oh, I'm sorry, you wanted some.
Yes, I do. Thank you. Thank you, Devil Dave's.
Thanks, Devil Daves. You're all right. Now let's get mixing. I'm parched.
Wow, that's really good. Wow.